Right, so to pick up where we left off, we have to take our inventory for C. So I have 1 barium on the reactant side, 1 on the product side, 2 fluorines on the reactant side, 1 on the product side, 1 sodium on the reactant side, 1 on the product side. I have 1 NO3, 1 nitrate, but I have 2 NO3s on the product side because it's in parentheses with the subscript on the outside. Kind of take your pick of what you want to balance first. We can balance our fluorines first by putting a 2 in front of the sodium fluoride. 2 times 1 fluorine, 2 times 1 sodium. And on the reactant side, you would need a 2 in front of the sodium nitrate to balance your sodiums. And that also balances your nitrates. D, you have calcium, you have phosphate, potassium, and sulfate. 3 calciums on the reactant side, 1 on the product side, 2 phosphates on the reactant side, 1 on the product side, 2 potassiums, 3 potassiums, sulfate, 1 and 1. If you want, you can start with calcium. Put a 3 here. That's 3 times 1 calcium, which is 3. 3 times 1 sulfate, which is 3. If you want to then balance the sulfates, you can put a 3 in front of the potassium sulfate, giving you 3 times 2 potassium, which is 6. 3 times 1 sulfate, which is 3. And then to balance your potassium, you can put a 2 to give you 2 times 3 potassium, which is 6. 2 times 1 phosphate, which is 2. After that, I have 3 calciums, 2 phosphates, 6 potassiums, and 3 sulfates. So that's balanced. E, zinc, nitrate, magnesium. 1 zinc, 1 zinc, 2 nitrates, 2 nitrates, 1 magnesium, that's balanced. You don't have to write anything. And then F, calcium, nitrate rather, aluminum, and carbonate. 1 calcium, 1 calcium, with 2 nitrates, 3 nitrates, 2 aluminums, 1 aluminum, 3 carbonates, and 1 carbonate. If I want to balance something, something I can do would be balancing my aluminum. That's 2 aluminums now, because that's 2 times 1, but that's 2 times 3 nitrate, which is 6. Put a 3 here, give me 3 calciums. 3 times 2 nitrates, which is 6. I would then need to balance my calcium by putting a 3 in front of calcium carbonate to give me 3 times 1, which is 3. 3 times 1 carbonate, which is 3. And that's balanced. That is your tutorial on balancing equations. Go ahead and get the PS4 and the sub to get started.